Welcome to this new video tutorial, and we're going to see how to rename a file using an iterator. So, we are using a var, and we are put putting this var inside the new name file that we will be generated. So now we are going to see how to do extract the extension, the name, and to do a loop, and to do a counter var to rename every file. So let's do something like this, and let's create two simple file. That's 1, 2, 3, and 2.txt. So if we're going here to see, we have two files, and our goal in this tutorial is to replace to take every file name and to replace with a counter. So inside the loop, so we are not to replace one with one, but we are going to consider a var counter that will be used to give the new name for each file. So let's create a little bash. So run sh. Let's put in insert mode. Let's do something like this for e in. This is the pattern. See, as you do and done. And for now, let's do a simple H of the var. Let's do something like this. And we can see that it's a kind of LSLA. So we're listing each file. Let's return inside. Now we want to do a simple counter. So we're going to do a var c equal to 0 and the var inc to equal to 1. And let's print this var. And let's print also the inc, and of course is 1. So you can see that is not incremented because we need also to increment each time. So we are going to do it like this. So we are going to take the var and we are going to do double parentheses, and we are going to increment the var c plus inc. And well, how much is the inc? The c var. Very good. It's incremented. You can see that it's incremented. So every time entering the loop, we have 1, and the second time will be 2. Because started, you can see that started C with 0 and increment each time with this. So now we want to do something like this. We want to take the F name as we do in the previous tutorial. So we already said to do. We do this parenthesis, and we do something like this. And so we take the file name and let's take the extension. Similarly, we're going to do another pattern. So this is the pattern, and like this. So let's print the f name and the extension, and this is working. Yes, we can see that it's the same as the this is called the bash itself because we want to act only by with extension txt. So let's return and let's do the wizard. So we have this, and this the game is done because we need only to do a simple move and we like I, and we want to keep an extension, but we want to use this time the increment, the var that was incremented, in this case C dot extension. So let's try now if it's working, and yeah, It's working. We rename it with this with the. Now let's try to do like this. And if I redo, of course, what every time I redo, the goal is this. So thank you for watching and subscribe the channel.